potatoes, 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 potatoes. That's the one. Hey y'all, Bear here. It's Tuesday, it's time for some camp cooking, and I've got bangers and mash, the backpacker edition. That's right. You know, this week I was making some stuff with some of these instant mashed potatoes, and I got to thinking, well, why don't we do like what we do with the ramen and add to these and ramp them up and make something out of them. So that's what I did. I came up with my backpacker bangers and mash. Got a little kit. And so I've got a half a pack of these classic mashed potatoes here, and I write down, when I do my backpacking meals, I write down how much water I need. So I got half a pack of mashed potatoes, I added chives and parsley. Then I've got a half a pack of onion gravy mix, and I added 2 teaspoons of minced onions and some fresh ground black pepper. And then I've got myself a fatty smoked sausage. This is a Sweetwood brand, and I buy these at QT. They're great big old fat snack sticks. They're great for cooking with. They're 2 ounces a piece. I buy them at QT. I think you can find them on Amazon. Well, let's get to cooking. Well, kind of. It's going to be easy this week. We just got to boil a cup and a half of water and slice up some sausage. And in backpacker tradition, we're going to cook with some heat, an alcohol stove, and the old well, Ozark Trail GI type cup, GSI type cup. Let's see, I need a cup and a half of water. Cup and a half of water. And let's go down here and not do the alcohol stove on the picnic table. And heat, yellow bottle. Hey, Walmart's clearancing this stuff out from winter right now. Y'all go load up. Alcohol stove lighter. All right, water's on. Let's go cut a sausage. So I'm gonna cut the sausage and add it in with my potatoes so it can get nice and hot with the potatoes. And sometimes when I'm backpacking, I take a nice little minimalist knife. I keep one in my wallet here. My backup blade. Backup fire. There it is. Little buck lock back. Let's see, that's a model 425. They're all of like 10 bucks. But when you're backpacking, that little guy there, it's enough to get the job done with most tasks. Ooh, wind. I'll give us some nice bites. And we'll put those in with the potatoes. There's our banger. A windscreen and a lid would help this process, but we're gonna get there. Now, while we're waiting for our water to boil, what I want to know from you is how you would ramp up your potato flakes. What would you do to them? Put it down in the comments. Share your ideas. Oh, we're almost there. I see the bubbles starting to come up. Alright, so we've been in the koozie for about 15 minutes. Let's get everything out and see what we've got. The gravy is still pretty thin. It didn't really thicken up without the boil action on the stove. It'll be wet and yummy though. So if we were at camp, at this point we would just dump the gravy in on the potatoes and dig in and eat. But we're going to put it in the bowl today and see what we've got. Uh-oh. I see one thing. We should have came in and give it a mix, y'all. That's okay. Let's see if we can't rectify that. There we go. Now we need a nice little well for the gravy, huh? Well, there we go. Backpacker banger mash with onion gravy. Let's dig in and give it a taste. Oh, man. I can't wait. I'm hungry. I worked a 12-hour shift before I came to do this. There we go. There's a good bite. Got the gravy and the banger and the mash. Let's go in and see what I did. Oh, heck yeah. There you go, y'all. There's dinner on the trail. And for probably less than $2. We'll see you on the trail.